Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Meta Pixel using the Facebook or Meta plugin on WordPress. So basically, if you have a WordPress website, we are going to show you how to install the Meta Pixel plugin, also known as the Facebook Meta Pixel plugin on your WordPress website. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. All right, so after logging into your dashboard on your website, so particularly this is for WordPress. I believe you guys know how to find your way to WordPress. If you don't know, which means it's even best you book a consultation with an expert. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content. The next step, we'll click on plugins. Then you click on add plugin. So we're going to be looking for Facebook Pixel plugin or Meta Pixel plugin. So this is the first step. This is the first step. Okay, so we search for Facebook Pixel and make sure they wrote by Meta or by Facebook, but usually it should be by Meta now. It's been updated. Okay. So, okay. It's showing by Facebook. All right, no problem. So this is new. By Facebook, and this is the one we are for. Meta Pixel for WordPress. Okay. So by Facebook. So let's click on install now. Then click on activate. So we're going to look for the plugin again. Meta Pixel, then click on settings. We're going to set it up for success. Okay. So let's allow it to load up. Okay. Then next, we're going to click on get started. Seems like they want us to log in. Okay. Okay, let's see how it goes. So, click on next again. So we're going to change the pixel. This is the one we want to use. This is its marketing class landing page. Then we'll click on next. You could also create a new one here. So make sure it's the right business portfolio, Facebook page, Instagram account, the ad account that you recognize. The automatic matching. Let's see what's here. Yeah, allow you to do everything. Then we'll click on continue. So that's it. Very easy to set up. So click on next again. It's linking your account. Okay, so click on done. We allow this to load up. So note that in some cases you just have to permit it. Then you click on this checkbox and you click on confirm. So this is how the whole connection is going to be fully established. So you can look up the connection settings. Okay, let's go up, Meta Advanced Configuration. Okay, so when you get here, make sure you confirm the pixel ID that it matches the one on Facebook, just a second level validation. So, ending with 896. So 896. So the next thing, we are going to do some event setup. A very basic one. So just know they are all connected. So I'm going to click go to Event Manager. Okay, so you come here. The best way is go through here. We've made a video about how to access events, how to do pixel setup. So this is more like a bonus. So you could also check it out. Always visit the description section. We have exclusive information that will help you. So go to Events Manager. So this is the Events Manager. All right, so this is the website where we want to do some work. We'll allow it to load up. So we'll be tracking buttons like this. We're going to get to this. Let's reload this page until the pixels start tracking web activities. So you could give it some time, like maybe an hour or 30 minutes. Okay, so you can see it has now verified that there's an event. Okay, so now the easiest way, after it has integrated fully, the next thing you click on, next thing you go to settings. Then scroll down. Then we'll click on Open Event Setup Tool. So this is where we're going to paste the website. So what's going to happen here is that it's going to open the website. Then you're going to see the Event Setup Tool after clicking on Add Events. So we click on Add Events. So after clicking on that button, it took us here. So you can see that for this stuff to show up, it means Meta has verified that the pixel code has been installed and it's connected. Okay, so we're going to track button. So just like I said, you could click on the Track New button to start tracking events, but we're not going to do that in this video. We've already made a video that covers how to use the Event Setup tool on Meta. So we're going to provide the video link in the description section. So go there.